Welcome to my channel Study Lecture. Today we see important question about general science. देखिए first question, roasting is an dash reaction. The right answer oxidation. Next question, what is needed for roasting to occur? The right answer water and oxygen. Next question, all acid are dash. All acid are corrosive when they are strong. Next question, when an acid reacts with a metal carbonate, the product formed are dash. Product are salt, water and carbon dioxide. About metal carbonate. Metal carbonate or hydrogen carbonates such as limestone, that is CaCO3, and baking soda, that is NaCO3, are the common example. When calcium carbonate react with sulfuric acid, then calcium sulfate, water and carbon dioxide are produced. Next question, which one is an alkaline among the following? Right answer ammonia. Next question, in periodic table elements are arranged according to their dash, their atomic number. Next question, what is an isotope? Isotope means atom of an element having different mass number. Next question, atomic number is represented by which letter? Right answer Z. Which science is sometimes called central science? The right answer chemistry. Next question, which acid is used in the body to help digestion? The right answer hydrochloric acid. Formula HCl. Next question, which of the following was to be discovered first in the chromosphere on the sun? The right answer helium. देखिए about helium. Helium, the lightest of the noble gas, had actually been detected, and helium is the only element in periodic table that was discovered by an astronomer. Helium is also used in the production of germanium crystal and silicon crystal. Another example, helium gas is used to fill balloon. Which of the following is in liquid from at room temperature? The right answer francium. About francium, symbol Fr, atomic number 87, atomic mass 233 gram mole inverse, discovered by Marguerite Perry in 1939. Uses, francium has been used in the field of research, chemistry and also in the atomic structure. It is used for diagnosis for curing cancer. The metal, about 34 isotopes that are said to be occurring in nature. Francium has one valence electron only. Next question, sodium metal is kept under kerosene. Next question, which of the following are in ingredient of gunmetal? Right answer copper and tin. From which mineral in radium obtained? The right answer pitch bladder. Radium. Radium's main practical use has been in medicine, producing radon gas from radium chloride to be used in radiotherapy for cancer. Next question, potassium nitrate is used in fertilizer. About potassium nitrate, KNO3 is a chemical compound with chemical name of potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate is a salt. It is prepared by neutralizing an acid. When potassium hydroxide neutralizes nitric acid, potassium nitrate is formed. This is chemical reaction. KOH plus HNO3, then KNO3 plus H2O. Uses, it is used as a form of fertilizer as it containing all the manufacturing need for the plant to grow. Next, it is used as a gunpowder in explosive such as bomb grenades. Next, used in manufacturing and production of cigarette. Next, it is used in medicine applications such as Deuteric in medicine. Next, used in toothpaste to make the teeth less sensitive to pain. Soda water containing carbon dioxide gas. Next question, the most important ore of aluminum is dash. The right answer bauxite. The last question, most soluble in water is sugar.